So before running ads on Microsoft Ads or any other platforms, make sure first you have installed your tag, and Microsoft calls it UET tag, which means Universal Event Tracking. So head over to Conversions, click on UET tag, and you have many options here. So for example, if you go to tags here, so back to all tags, now I have created some and they are unverified because I have not verified them yet. We have many options, so let us create one here. One is called, let us call this one Microsoft, well, let us use our name. And you can give it a description. So let us say this tag, and you have many options here. So you have to check this one for Microsoft Clarity. So it brings actionable user behavior insights and optimize your campaigns. And save and next. You have several options here, so you can send it to a developer if you are not sure how to install it, but I'm going to show you how to install it through install tag yourself or use a third party. So I am sure you are using one of these partners, for example, either WordPress, Wix, Shopify, BigCommerce, WooCommerce, or Squarespace. Now, those are different. So WooCommerce, actually, you can track product events, sales, or other related things to WooCommerce. But for WordPress is that you are tracking the whole website for only WordPress. So be it lead generation or page view or whatever you want. So if you click on WordPress and you can click on this download this plugin. And if you don't want to download too many plugins because Facebook has it, all of the platforms you can use, but you can also use install yourself, so you don't need to add many plugins here. Once you have installed downloaded, just go to WordPress plugins and install new plugin. And I have installed one from Microsoft, so it automatically activate the UET for you. So here is our Microsoft Universal Event Tracking, UET. Here we also have another option. So if we back and let us install by ourselves. And this is the copy. You just copy it. And I have a plugin. I use it for all my tracking options here. So I will also talk about Google Tag Manager in a very specific course. So, but for now, so let us go to all snippets, and this time we are using Microsoft. As you see, I have all the tags for different advertising platforms. So click on new snippet. And here it says it should be between head-to-head tags for every page of your website. You only need to install the globe site tag once on every page of your site, even if you are tracking multiple conversions. And let us call this one Microsoft Ads UET. And as they say, it is site display, so it's a site wide. We don't want to exclude any pages, any posters. We want in the header on all devices and paste it here. And then we can save it. And once we have pasted, we just gonna go to here. And it says unverified. It takes a while to verify, so almost 24 hours. Give it 24 hours, it will verify your tag for you, and that's it. Then you can go inside the conversions. So we will talk about conversions in a later video.